Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. So today in our recipe, we are going through a hot season, summer hot season, and our temperature is reaching nearly 30 degrees. And so I'm coming up with a new drink, which is a simple and easy to be made, straightforward, which is called Orange Sunquick Punch. You can make it with alcoholic version and non-alcoholic version, but in this video I'm making it on a non-alcoholic version. For alcohol that you would like to use, you can use vodka, or you could use Grand Marnier, which is an orange liquor, and to soothe with this drink. So let's get into the kitchen without further delay, and let's go there! The ingredients to make this Sunquick Punch or a quick drink. It is a very simple ingredients that we have. I have a bottle of Sprite, which I have used in my other videos as well, and I have some ice cubes, some water, and some mint for garnishing. This is the 5 ingredients that we need. So let's begin by making this drink on a hot day and to quench ourselves. To begin with, we'll take a large cup or a large container, and with that we will measure half a cup of Sunquick, which here, and so we will pour in half a cup of Sunquick. And also we have some Sprite, so we shall add some Sprite, about 2 cups. I'm measuring it accurately, but you can do it according to your estimation, like eyeballing it. So 2 cups. First cup. Second cup. And we will add 1 cup of water because it's too sweet. Half a cup to a 1 cup. So I'll start off with half a cup of water. Then I'll see how it is the sweetness, and if I need more water to dilute, I'll add more. I guess I will need more water, maybe a 1/4 cup of water, and mix it well. It's time to serve the drink. So for that we need some glasses as well, and also some ice cubes. So let's put on as much ice cubes as we want into a cup. So for here I have 2 cups, and so I'm going to fill them up with ice cubes, and also followed by pouring the drink. And to garnish it, we shall have some Sprigs of Mint. 1 and 2. And dear viewers, here's our drink. Our drink is ready to be served, and as our final product, is ready, and you could do it this way, or you could slice a slice of orange to decorate with it. It's up to you, dear viewers, and on your own, you can do it on your own creativity. So I hope you like this video, and a simple, quick, easy drink. And so try it out in your home, and leave your comments below, and also enjoy the drink in this hot summer season. Thank you for tuning in for Friday Friendly Kitchen, and see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Oh, by the way, before you log out from this video, for if you are new, welcome aboard. Please click on the subscribe button and also the bell icon, and also do share it, like it too. And if you have any comments about this drink, leave them down and I will get back to you in my convenience time. Thank you very much for tuning for Friday Friendly Kitchen, and those who are with me from the day one, thank you again, and I appreciate the way that you have been supporting me. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.